In today's video, I'll show you the best settings for your MCHOOSE mouse setting. So first things first, you want to get the official software for your mouse. You could just search MCHOOSE software on the web and it will take you to this page. Select the drivers if you must, but you will be able to see all of the available devices to support your software right here. Right after, to apply the best setting, first things first, let's head over to details. In here, you want to set your polling rate somewhere between 1000 or 2000. Going above that is not ideal and will consume a lot more battery. So for general use, just simply select 1000 hertz. Now, for the motion sync on and off, you could just turn this on if you want to. Same thing with the ripple control. This can depend on your style. But now to the lift off distance, you can then select something like 1 millimeters. This will avoid jitter, especially when we do flex on our mouse. That enables us to lift it from the ground itself. So just disable this or select 1 millimeter and you should be good to go. And for some additional mouse setting, for the lift off distance, once again, it's going to be the same thing. For esports mode, you can turn this on and off depending on your preference. But mainly if you play something like FPS games, I suggest just leaving this setting on because it can actually enhance our mouse performance. For the game safe mode, select close. For the mouse speed, of course, it's according to your preference. If you're onto the lower side of sensitivity, you then want to decrease this. And we have some additional options that you can adjust according to your preference, but that's simply the settings. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.